Let's talk about when a kid gets on your last nerve and what you can do about it. Now, we all know that we are very patient and we can handle a lot, but there'll be some times where that kiddo gets on your last nerve and something is about to shoot out of your mouth, or you're about to say something that you can't enforce. I always say what you mean what you say. And, I've been there, I've done that. I've said to kids, that's it, you're getting 5 nights detention, and I can't do that. But, the kid got on my last nerve. So I kind of reacted and kind of lost my mind there for a temporary moment. I like to teach to both adults and the kids the process of what I call STP. And that means stop, think, and process. Everybody, unless you're in imminent physical danger, should take the time to stop in the moment, think about what's going on, process what's going on, and be able to say in your head, cause and effect. If I say that, I know I can't enforce it. I know it's not going to help the problem. Process that in your head before you even respond. Because if you don't, you're going to react. So I've taught that over the years, and it's really helped me. So when I get in a situation like even somebody cuts me off in traffic, I STP that. Stop, think, and process. All right. Am I going to cause more problems by giving them the finger? Probably. They could be a very violent person and chase me home. I don't want that to happen either. So we can STP things all day long. When I teach that to older kids and they say to me, like on a Friday, they go, oh, Miss, we are going to go out this weekend. And I say, make sure you STP that. They say, I wish you didn't do that because now I have to think about it before I, do something. I said, exactly. I even use a prop in my classroom to help them out, a visual. 2 things. One is I have a sign, the STP oil sign, and I'll hang that on the back, and kids think I'm just really into cars, and still I teach STP, stop, think, and process. And that reminds me. So when a kid fires something out at me, I look at my STP sign and I go, stop, think, and process, Polly, STP that, don't react right now, don't respond. And the other thing I do when I'm teaching that is I actually wear my little STP ball cap. So if I put this on and kids are about to get into trouble and I just say to them, guys, they're like, oh, Miss, STP that. That's right. Stop, think, and process so you can respond versus react. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.